Dear students, up till now we have studied different types of counter like decade counter, ripple counter, synchronous counter. Now we are going to study the down counter. Normally counter counts right from 00000 to the higher values. Now here we are using a down counter which counts just opposite, that is from 1111 to 00000. So in this counter uh, the flip-flop toggles when its clock pulse input goes from 1 to 0. So this is equivalent to an uncomplemented output going from 0 to 1. Now it is comprises of 4 JK flip-flops. You can see the socket, it is connected here, and as I said, each flip-flop toggles when its clock input goes from 1 to 0. When clock input goes from 1 to 0, then flip-flop toggles. This is equivalent to an uncomplemented output which is going from 0 to 1. For instance, if Q1 flip-flop toggles when Q0 bar goes from 1 to 0, this is equivalent to Q0 going from 0 to 1. A preset signal generated elsewhere is available in the uncomplemented or complemented form. Preset means the PRE signal, it is shown. This is preset signal. PRE goes to all the circuit with an active high preset. PRE bar goes to all the circuit with an active low preset. Because here we have put a bar here, that's why it is active low signal. The preset signal goes low, PRE bar goes low, producing an output of 111. The output word will 1111. That means Q is equal to 1111. When PRE bar goes high, the action starts. Q0 toggles once per clock pulse. So a positive toggle means, here a positive toggle means change from 0 to 1 and negative toggle means change from 1 to 0. The first clock pulse produces a negative toggle in Q0. So what will happen? First, initially the count is 1111. When the first toggle occurs, what will happen? Negative toggle will happen, 1 to 0. Positive toggle means change from 0 to 1 and negative toggle means change from 1 to 0. So here negative toggling is occurring, change from 1 to 0. So the first count is then. The second clock pulse occurs, it produces a positive toggle. You can see 0 to 1, the output is changing from 1110 to 1101. So 0 to 1, that is a positive toggle. So in Q0, the positive toggle occurs which produces a negative toggle in Q1. But Q1 mein there will be negative toggle, that is from 1 to 0. So here positive toggle, here negative toggle. On the third clock pulse, Q0 toggles negatively and Q becomes 1100. On the fourth clock pulse, Q0 toggles positively and Q2 toggles negatively. The circuit is counting down from 15 to 0. This, see, 1111 is equivalent to decimal 15 and this is 0000 equivalent to decimal 0. So counting is occurring from 15 to 0 with each clock pulse. So as it becomes 0000, last 15th clock pulse, at the 15th clock pulse the count becomes 0000. After the next clock pulse the count is reset to 1111. So all the flip-flops toggle positively to get Q is equal to 1111 and the cycle repeats itself. So this was the working of the down counter. Now we can use the same counter as either up counter or the down counter. Such a counter is known as up down counter. You can see the up down counter here. This is the circuit of up down counter. Here is a control signal up. If up is equal to 0, then the circuit acts like a down counter. If up is equal to 1, the whole circuit will act as up counter. Up is 0, down counter, up is 1, up counter. So the flip-flop outputs are connected to the steering network. An up control signal produces either down or up counting, and if the up signal is low, in that case Q2 bar, Q1 bar and Q0 bar, Q2 bar, Q1 bar and Q0 bar are transmitted to the clock pulse. You can see this is Q0, this is Q1 bar, this is Q2 bar are transmitted to the clock inputs. So this will result in a down counter. But when up is high, then Q2, Q1 and Q0 is transmitted at the clock output. That is, when up is 0, then Q0 bar, Q1 bar, Q2 bar is transmitted to the clock. When up is high, then Q0, Q1 and Q2 are transmitted to the clock, and so it works like up counter. So in this way you can use the same circuit with some special control circuitry as up or down counter. So my question for you, design a 2-bit up down counter and design an 8-bit down counter. Answer in the group.